Today we're doing baking classes for kids, and we have identified that there's a need. But what we're doing mostly is that we are incorporating science and maths into this. So what do we mean by science? Is baking is science made edible, and also baking is maths and science made edible. What do we mean by science made edible? So in science, there's a heat that is comprised to that. There are certain elements, scientific elements that you do, like for example, raising agents. There are certain types of raising agents that you know we need to do, that you can't put two raising agents together. What is going to happen? The chemical composition that is going to happen there. The math science of it, the math part of it is like the scaling down, the division, measuring, and all sorts of that. So today we incorporate all that into that. So we're teaching them on how to measure, how to scale down, what happens when the heat is up, and all that. So today is the day that they're going to put that into practice and try to understand basically that baking is just not making flour and baking powder. They just need to understand what happens when they wrap the butter. Why is it that they need to wrap the butter for a certain type of period, and then the butter should be at a certain room temperature, and why the importance thereof. So today we are going to be learning that, and then from there the fun part of it where they'll be decorating the biscuits and stuff. So today they'll be mainly learning how to do biscuits and what type of temperature they need to do, the measuring of it, the cutting and stuff. So everything else is going to be measured, going to be weighed, everything else. And it also helps them when they get home in terms of their maths. So you can make it interesting at home by maybe, let's say, start baking, and then you start taking the scale, and then you start taking the measuring tape, you start taking that, and then you also start, your heat, reducing it or making it to a certain type of temperature. So in that way they would understand that this is what needs to happen when baking. Baking is not just mixing baking powder and putting in the stove. There's a lot of elements that goes into it. So are you guys ready? Yes. Are you guys ready to have fun? Yes. So we're going to start now. So today